In this video, I'll show you how to check your deleted Chrome history on a laptop or computer. Keep in mind that once browsing history is deleted from Chrome, it normally cannot be restored directly. However, you may still be able to find some of your previous searches through your Google account. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, select History, and then click Open History Page. This page shows the websites you recently visited. If the history is still available, you can search through it using the search bar at the top. However, if you already deleted your Chrome browsing history, try this second method. Go to google.com and make sure you're signed in to the same Google account you were using while browsing. Click your profile picture in the top right corner and then select Manage your Google account. From here, open Data and Privacy, then click on My Activity. Now, scroll down to History Settings and select Web and App Activity. You can then open Manage All Web and App Activity to view searches and other activity saved to your Google account. Use the search bar or calendar icon to find activity from a specific date. This method will only work if web and app activity was enabled before you deleted your Chrome history. It may also show your Google searches rather than every website you visited. And that's it. Those are two places where you can check your recent Chrome and Google activity. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple computer tutorials.